Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, what a historic moment today is. November 7th is really a very, very historic moment for the entire cryptocurrency space because we have surpassed a $3 trillion market cap. And, this is absolutely insane. And, how, it surprises me how far this market has come just in the last 5 years alone. And I believe this market is just getting started. And if we're looking at the BTC dominance is currently sitting at 41.4%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, you guys can see right now we are seeing mild red across the board in some altcoins, but overall, guys, this month has been nothing but extremely bullishness for the entire space. Q4 has lived up to the hype, and I do believe that we're going to see more price gains happening, especially in Q4. As I have mentioned before, Q4 does tend to be a very, very exciting time for the entire crypto space, especially, guys, in a bull cycle. And right now, we're in a bull cycle, and everything is there for the entire space to succeed. And boy, does this get me excited. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one coin that has been making headlines after headlines after headlines, and that coin is none other than Solana. All right, my Solana family, if you guys are looking at the Solana price, Solana has been absolutely killing it over the past 1 year. And if you had been holding since literally last year, right off the bat, I would like to say first off, congrats to you guys. You guys deserve the gains. This really goes to show if you believe in a project, if you have done your due diligence and research, and you just have held, patience does tend to reward, and Solana holders are being rewarded quite heavily right now. If we are looking at the Solana price right now, guys, you guys can see we are currently trading at $248.47. We are down 2.4% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down 6.7% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours, which we will get into later on why that exactly is happening right now for the price of Solana. If we are looking at the market cap, guys, $75.1 billion, and our 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting right below $3 billion market cap. Solana's current rank has been climbing this cryptocurrency market like absolutely crazy, and we are ranked top 4. And if we are zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, as I have mentioned, Solana is up in just the 1 year alone 12,126%, guys. Like absolutely crazy price movements happening for the price of Solana, and boy, is that exciting. But now let's get right into the exciting stuff, and that is the charts, and see what's exactly going on with the Solana price and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So right off the bat, guys, right off the bat, you guys can see Solana is still chilling in this 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. If you are a fan of my channel, you guys know I always say whenever the price is hanging around this range, guys, this is literally all-time high territories. And boy, has this coin been going absolutely insane. Let's bring out the measuring tools to give you guys a better perspective. Just since September 20, guys, just since September 21st, 2020, we have seen Solana price go up 115%, guys. Absolutely crazy gains being made across the board, and Solana has been really gaining a lot of traction, and it has been seeing a lot of hype coming in, not only from the retail side, but the institutional side. Solana really, guys, is giving me early Ethereum beginning, like days. Like I feel the same type of vibe coming in for Solana. And right now, guys, if we are bringing out the measuring tool right off the bat, you can't really make this up. Solana is literally down right now about 5% away from its all-time high. Literally 5%. And the reason as to why we are seeing Solana have some sort of retracement occurring within its price right now is because Bitcoin has seen a rebound once again, and Bitcoin is literally 3% away from all-time high. And once we break all-time highs, guys, it's price discovery mode, and Bitcoin can really start moving up quite fast. And I have been mentioning this for quite a while, guys. If you guys do watch all my videos on a regular basis, I did say, guys, Bitcoin is building up a very strong support at the 60K level. So that is a very bullish indicator on its own. And look at that. After a consolidation phase, we have seen a bounce back up towards the upside. And I could see all-time highs very soon for the price of Bitcoin, which could cause the altcoin market to consolidate and even go down in Bitcoin comparative as Bitcoin has its rally. And that's just how the market works. And right now, if we are looking at the BTC index, guys, you guys can see when Bitcoin had its all-time high, we saw it shoot up all the way up to 47.74%. Since then, when Bitcoin started having its consolidation phase, as you guys can see, we did see money flow back into altcoins. So money wasn't really going out of the markets. It wasn't leaving the cryptocurrency markets. It was staying in the markets, and it was going into altcoins rather than, exiting out of the markets. And we saw BTC dominance decline. And now what's happening is, after Bitcoin broke out once again, we are seeing BTC dominance reversal happen again. And if Bitcoin were to hit all-time highs, which I could easily see happen very soon, we could start seeing the BTC dominance index climb up once again. These are, the factors that we need to keep in mind, guys. We look at all the factors, all the case scenarios, and right now this is definitely, a possibility of occurring in the altcoin market right now. So if this happens, then we could possibly see small consolidation phase, small sideways momentum occurring for the price of Solana along with some other altcoins. But one thing to keep in mind specifically for Solana is that we might not see it get affected by the Bitcoin run. We could see it go even, continue to go up with it and have like a positive correlation with the price of Bitcoin, which we do not tend to see with majority of the altcoins, because like I mentioned, BTC dominance goes up and we do tend to see money flow from altcoins back into Bitcoin. But right now, one thing interesting is going on with Solana, because Solana is literally being talked about around the world right now. Literally around the world, everyone is talking about a major institution interest coming into Solana. A lot of people, guys, a lot of people are calling Solana to be the next Ethereum, and some people are even making some crazy claims. And I'm not saying this is not out of the books. Some people are saying that it could even take above Ethereum, spot from number 2. So it could take Ethereum spot, and we have never, guys, listen, this could be very interesting. We have never seen any coin, any other altcoin take over Ethereum's spot since Ethereum's existence. And this is very interesting, and that would literally shake the entire cryptocurrency space if that were to occur. And I could possibly see that happening because, guys, Solana is its own blockchain, which I have mentioned. And the new blockchains that are coming, that are innovative, that have their own pros and cons. They are majority of these new blockchains, guys, such as Polkadot, Solana, Cardano. These projects are really gaining traction because they outweigh Ethereum in so many ways. Let's look at just Uniswap fees, guys. Look how much people are paying on Uniswap in Ethereum fees. The system is absolutely congested, and we have not seen it get fixed. And this is why we're seeing so much interest building up in new blockchains. And now we are seeing some of the biggest ones, such as Cardano and Solana, being talked about quite a bit, along with Polkadot. And some people are saying that these are the next Ethereum, and I totally agree with that. One of these will definitely, especially Cardano or Solana, will take over Ethereum in the short immediate term, and I could see that happen very fast. And this interest that's building up is absolutely insane, guys. And also 77.86% of its circulation supply, guys, is being staked right now. And that is also one factor that should not be ignored as we look at the price of Solana. That's also one of the reasons as to why Solana is not being impacted that much when Bitcoin makes a run a lot, or if vice versa, if it drops. we are seeing Solana hold quite well and continue to hit all-time highs after all-time highs because the scarcity is there. So 77.86% of the circulation supply, it cannot be purchased, meaning it's being staked right now. People believe Solana could be the next Ethereum, possibly in the next 2 to 3 years. And they see that the price would be way higher compared to where it's now, and that really gets people excited. And rather than holding it, trading short term here and there, they just stake it, earn passive income, compound their earnings, and make their holdings bigger as time goes by. And this number does play a very, very important role, guys. So very exciting times ahead for Solana, guys. We will see if it can take over Ethereum in the immediate short term. But at the rate it's going, guys, I would not be surprised. Ethereum now is more seen as, rather than the developing aspect of it, no developer is developing on Ethereum now. I'm not saying none of them are. There are some, obviously, but we are seeing a lot of shift happening in other blockchains such as Solana, Cardano, a Polkadot, and I believe this shift is happening, and there will be a new number two spot coming up. And Ethereum is definitely here to stay. Don't get me wrong, Ethereum is here to stay, but it's seen as more of a store of value asset rather than a developing and innovating side of the spectrum. But that is it for today's update, guys. Solana is holding very, very strongly right now, but we do need to keep Bitcoin's price in mind. But 5% away, guys. This is literally all-time high territories. We could see a breakout happen very, very soon. We just need a little bit more buying pressure kicking in, and we could be right through the resistance level and off to the races. And $300 Solana would be the next price target. And absolutely insane things are happening for the price of Solana. But that is it for today's update, guys. Let me know in the comment section below, what are you guys doing right now, and what are your thoughts on Solana? Do you really think Solana can take over Ethereum? I would love to know your thoughts down below in the comment section. And also, guys, if I can ask you guys for one favor, and that is if you guys can please only take 1 second out of your time to like, subscribe, and comment. That's literally all I ask for, and that would mean the world to me. I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me. Your support means the world to me. Keep supporting me, and always remember, your support does not go unnoticed. Stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.